Ever since the Gen 4 games, there was an area called the Power Park where you could transfer Pokemon from Generation 3 to the Generation 4 games using the dual slot mode on the original DS. And pretty much ever since then, you could transfer Pokemon from previous gens to the newer gens. So from Gen 4 to Gen 5, you could use the Poké Transfer Lab, and then Gen 5 to Gen 6, you use Pokemon Bank, and then finally, the 3DS games to Pokemon Home. However, I want to try something different. What if we transfer Pokemon back to previous gens? So Gen 6 to Gen 5. Well, let's test that in this video using a modded 3DS, right here, with PKSM. So just a few heads up here. So firstly, you cannot transfer Gen 6 plus Pokemon to previous gens, obviously because they weren't made at the time, and obviously new moves and abilities. Basically, any of those things, anything new from Gen 6 onwards cannot be transferred back. However, you can transfer Pokemon from Gen 5 that were in Gen 6 games to Gen 5 games, as long as, you know, they have the abilities and moves that are present in Gen 5. But let's just test this out. So I have a Mewtwo here that was caught in the Unknown Dungeon, see at level 70, in my Pokemon X game. And I'm using a Pokemon Black 2 PC box here. So all you have to do is simply drag and drop right there. Boom. And obviously, just so you know, I'm not joking here. If I try and take this Helioptile, which we all know debuted in Gen 6, it will say, no way to transfer between generations, impossible species. So that is unfortunately not possible. And same thing with any Pokemon that know moves that weren't present in Gen 5. So now that our transfer is done, we just have to hit save here. And I'll see you guys once Pokemon Black 2 has booted up. Okay, so our Gen 5 game has just booted up. So let's go to the PC box and go to move Pokemon, and we should see the Mewtwo. So let me go to the box where Mewtwo is. Okay, so I finally found the Mewtwo. So yeah, level 70, ability pressure, basically everything has been retained from Gen 6. And yeah, see the OT is Laura, and it will say here far away place. So what this means is basically an area that's not like registered in the game. It's, you know, basically like a placeholder. So it should say Unknown Dungeon, but it says far away place because Unknown Dungeon isn't a place in Pokemon Black 2. As you can see, all the moves have been retained. You know, all the stats are pretty much the exact same. So this is actually really quite jarring to see a Pokemon from a future gen in Gen 5. You know, even like something like Mewtwo. But this is just proof that you can do something like this on PKSM, and you can go and watch. You can go and watch the video here to tell you how to do it. So yeah, but this is quite a cool little experiment. Thank you guys for watching.